Hi again. Right, I am going to start doing inserts and decorating the album with the bits and pieces I've got. You have to excuse the lighting, I'm down to one light again at the moment. I'd like to explain what I have done. Now, I have used some of the printouts that I did. Some of them I've made into booklets and some of them are just plain. There are quite a few I didn't use. I cut them out anyway, they're all cut out and inked around the edges. But what I've actually done with my leftover papers, rather than take them all out and cut them all to like proper photograph sizes, I decided just to use them as they are. So some of them I've done as little folders, little booklets, and some of them are just plain. So I took my leftover scraps of paper, regardless of their size, and all my leftover scraps of cardstock, and just stuck them on. Some of these are full-size sheets. I think most of them are now full-size sheets, but regardless, I took all my scraps. So now all I have to do is cut out everything that I've stuck on. I may not use all of it, but I am going to cut it all out. And like you see, as you can see, I didn't actually cut down any of the papers, the decorative papers. I just stuck them on, and I'm going to cut them out. Something I would like to add here, for people like me who really don't pay attention to their tools, this is actually a new blade. As you can see, it cuts beautifully. Now, I've had this Viscose for over a year, and the blade has been awful, and I only just realised that it says here blade change notch. There's a little bit on the bar here that says blade change notch, and I was struggling to try and get this off and I couldn't get it off, and in the end you just take it down to where it says blade change notch, so you line it up and it just comes off, and I never knew. So yeah, I'm quite happy I actually managed to pay attention and get that done. I am now going to cut out all of the rest of these, even though I may not use them, and then I'll be back and we'll sort of like go through the album and see what can be put where, and decoration. I mean, I've got a few things. I although I'm not a blingy sort of person, I do want to use these. So I'm going to go through, finish these, and then I'll be right back. Sorry, just had to close my door. So, and I said so again. I keep on still saying so. It's not good. I finished decorating all the edges, the inside edges here, all the way around. So, I said so again. I haven't done this bit. That's the only bit I haven't done yet. And now I want to concentrate on filling these. Now, as you can see, some of them have already got little tags in, so all the plain red and green I've already put in here, and I've already got a little pocket, little booklet in there. So I'm going to want something for in here, and I'd rather it was, let's have a look, something quite big with either Merry Christmas, oh here we go, there's one, Merry Christmas, and I think I'd also like that goes nice there, and maybe something in there. There we go. Next page. I want something to fit in here, so I think one of these and something with the green. There we go. There's a larger tag here, and I think for that one I would like, I do have this, but I don't think that's going to fit. That will stick out. Oh, maybe it won't. Oh, it fits. Okay, that one there. I have a belly band here. Where's my other bits and pieces? Here they are. And that's already got something in. I need a larger pocket, and I would like it to be, there we go. Oh, and something for this side too. Not necessarily matching. Oh, I know what I would like for that pocket. If I can figure out where I put it. I think I want one of these. Okay. Now I'm missing out these at the moment. Not for any particular reason. Ah, now then. I should have measured up for those. That's got a pocket in, so I need something small and thin for that one. Would that fit? No, too big. Wrapping paper. Too big. I might have to make up another. That is probably going to be too big as well. Yeah, I don't want to stick that fully in. And I'm messing up my paper. They're all in neat little piles. Right. That goes in the other way, doesn't it? Okay, I'm going to have to think about something for that one. And I want that one in there. Okay, this one, something longer. Now, I'm not going to be able to match up the papers on this. I know that. But I do have, right, let's sort out the, right, I'm going to sort out the tags from the booklets here. Tag. Oh, they're all tags. That's quite a small one. Tag, booklet. Ooh, booklet. There we go. Most of these are tags. There are very few booklets, I think. That's a booklet. Oh, that's a long thing. One too long though. Oh. Booklets. Tags. Lots and lots of little bits and pieces. Let's have a look. Oh, and another booklet. That one's bigger than that one. That would be better. Could put 2 in there. That'll do for now. That is a booklet. Okay. My page has come out. That's awful. There's hardly any stick on there. Okay, which way round did it go? It went round this way, didn't it? Oh, I'm going to have to re-glue these pages. I think they're very yes, they are very. Okay, I've got one in there. Let's pop one in there. Too big. We need something in there. Too big? Yep, too big. Let's see what we got here. Too big. Too big. I'm going to have that one and that one and in here that one. Oh dear. So I'm going to go through first, and I'm going to, because this is going to take quite a while, I'm going to pick some tags again. You can see sort of like, I'm just sort of like looking through and saying, right, that can go there, that can go there. I'm going to get some glue and re-glue these pages to make them extra, extra strong. Then I'll be back again. So here we are. And I came across just a titty little problem. All of this. And all of this. And all the little bits. And even the bling bling doesn't fit into the album. There was a bit of a choice of remove a lot of the tags and just keep with the papers, or take away the inserts and load it up with a couple more tags, and I didn't like that idea. So I removed a lot of the tags and kept the inserts. There will be charms hanging on here. So what has happened is all the tags correspond to the papers. There's nothing in the tops of these, so they've just got the small tag at the front, and there are no extra embellishments, and I've just put this on the back. I was going to have a belly band here with lots of extra papers in, but really there's no room. By the time you put photographs in this, it's going to be a squash to get it in, and I think that's okay. So it does have, you know, a fair few tags in still, and lots of places for you to stick photographs in, and that's really the point of it. And I guess you could put Christmas cards in here with journaling on, but I'm pretty sure I've taken out all of the non-paper line bits and pieces. Everything else is just paper line or the plain green or plain red card, and they're all odd sized tags, lots of different little bits and pieces. Yep. Ooh, sticky on there. ATG gun. So all that's left to do really is a proper walkthrough, which I will load up separately after I've done the charms. And sad to say, bit of a non-starter, this one, wasn't it? Didn't have much there at all. I've got all my little bits ready and put to one side. So the plan is I may make another much simpler album that I can just put loads of tags and bits and pieces in, and that will be hopefully coming soon. I will not be uploading tomorrow because I should, fingers crossed, be having my windows fitted tomorrow. Of course, the wind we've been having, the boards that are up at my windows, it's like living in on a building site. The boards that are up at the windows, the wind has blown them in. So I will do a walkthrough and that will be it. So quite a short and sweet video, and apologies for this being a bit of a waste of time, but like I said, I do have some 8x8 papers left. I have all of this left, so I can just make another album. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.